so warm. Splash, splash, splash. Bubbles floating in the air. Pop, 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 everywhere. Wash my arms and wash my toes. Swish, swish water as it flows. Rub-a-dub, nice and bright. We'll get super clean tonight. Can you wash your hair? Yes, I wash my hair. Can you wash your hands? Yes, I wash my hands. Can you wash your face? Yes, I wash my face. Bath time fun for every place. Soap, so bubbly, round and round. Funny little slippery sound. Wash my knees and wash my feet. Dance around to the happy beat. Splash, splash, giggle and play. We get cleaner every day. Scrub-a-dub, don't be slow. Clean from head down to my toe. Wash my tummy round and round. Bubbles make a silly sound. Wash my back. Swish, swish, swish. Clean and shiny, just like this. Rinse it off. Splash, splash, splash. Water makes a happy splash. Round and round the bubbles go, up and down and to and fro. Close your eyes, rinse away, all the soap is gone. Hooray! Drip, drop, waterfalls, splashing softly on the walls. Now we're fresh from head to toe. Ready, set, let's go. Can you wash your toes? Yes, I wash my toes. Can you wash your shoulders? Yes, I wash my shoulders. Can you wash your hair? Yes, I wash my hair. We are clean from head to toe. Bath time's done, go, go, go. All clean, all bright, smelling fresh tonight. Bath time fun is number one. See you next time, everyone.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Mind Drew Tales.